Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today I want to talk about a project called BUSD Bank, yeah? And of course we're going to do a scam check. Is this legit or is it just another scam, okay? As you know guys, I prefer trading, then I have full control over my decisions and over the outcome of my trades. So guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let's have a look at this, guys. First of all, I have to say this is not full of red flags, okay? Because usually, you know, we are looking, has the contract been audited? Can we check the contract ourselves? Is there a white paper? Has the team been KYC'd? Is it a business model? Is there a legitimate business model behind it? And so on. So let me show you guys. First of all, the launch is today. It's today, so it's very new, yeah? And they say you get a daily ROI of 3 to 4%. Basically, in this vault, you get 3% daily, and if you mint NFT, if you purchase NFT, then you get 1% more. That means you get 4% daily. So, yeah, the dApp, I can show you. If you enter the dApp, it looks like this. As you can see here, you can mint this NFT for 150 BUSD, and then you get 1% more. So basically, what this one is here is this is called the vault, and they also want to release nodes, as you can see here, in about 1 week or so, if this is right. Yeah. What makes it special, blah, blah, blah. I will just tell you the most important points because we want to know, is this worth considering an investment or not? So first of all, I showed you the dApp. The dApp is basically called the vault. And important here, the stamp made the audit. As you can see here, overall 80 points. Let me show you guys. This smart contract has been audited and reviewed by the stamp. We found no backdoor, no vulnerability that would lead to stolen funds. That's very important. The project uses deposit funds to earn daily yield and for 3% daily APR. So yes, and can go up 4% if the user has minted an NFT. So basically, okay, this, I mean, good. They audited the contract. It says also you have an emergency withdrawal function. This means you can get out 50%, but the 50% will remain in the contract. Okay. Backdoors also very important, guys. No backdoor or vulnerability found in this smart contract. Okay, that's interesting. If you deposit, you pay a 10% fee. Yeah. And here, team trust. Team is not known and has an active community. So first of all, guys, the positive thing is the contract has been audited. Yeah, that's good. And we can also check the contract ourselves here. Let me show you guys. But since it's new, you can see BNB value is 0. Transactions, actually not anything going on here, you can see. But this should change, so you can check this yourself if you want. So let's go to the audit, okay? Welcome to the BUSD Bank ecosystem. So first of all, this vault here, yeah, as of right now, yeah, this is like still a Ponzi scheme, but I will show you they have some other plans because as also the audit says, they need new users coming in, and the deposits of the new users will pay the existing users, which is a Ponzi scheme, yeah? So the vault, basically you get this 3 to 4% daily ROI. Yeah, and the nodes they're planning to introduce nodes. Let me show you the future plans. I mean, as of right now, it's just a Ponzi scheme, okay? But they're planning to make these nodes, then BUSD Bank and another BUSD Bank. Let's see. Yeah, the audit, I showed you the audit. There's, you know, the FAQ section. Is BUSD Bank a Ponzi scheme? They say no, but as of right now, it is a Ponzi scheme because they have no other business model than bringing in new users, and those new users pay the existing users, yeah? So, yeah, to make it short, I mean, what's good here, yeah, immutable contracts, no dev access to funds, and no backdoors. That's actually what the audit said. As you can see here, that's actually pretty good. I mean, that the audited contract, because usually they don't do this, all these fake or scam projects, because first of all, they're afraid to audit the contract because, of course, they are backdoors and they want to drain the liquidity and get all the money out of it. They made the audit. That's good. They don't show their faces, so let me show the positive things. Is okay. On the positive side, we have the contract has been audited, and we can also check the contract ourselves, and there is a white paper. That's positive. On the negative side, we have we don't know the team. I mean, no one has been KYC'd, and of course, as of right now, it just depends on new users coming in. So I would not say there's a complete scam project or so. It just doesn't fulfill what I would like to see. That I would say, okay, that's an investment that I would consider myself. But as always, guys, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. So if you want to invest your own money, always do your own research. I would personally not invest in it because, of course, they have some good points, but there are also some negative points. And yes, guys, make your own decision. As of right now, I would not invest in this because, you know, in general, I prefer to trading. I prefer trading because you can make your own decisions, make some technical analysis, and then make your decisions based on these guys, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.